Good afternoon. Welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Beautiful blue Alfa Romeo. It's a Giulietta 1.4 TB Turbo Sport Euro 6 start-stop. Now, 2018, 55,000 miles, 2 owners from new, 7 Alfa Romeo services. Cam belt just done by the, cam belt done by the main dealer at 48,000 miles and just been serviced. Pretty blue. The name is in our advert, the Alfa Romeo. The technical term for the blue, can't quite remember, but it's beautiful metallic blue. Got the lovely 8-hole alloy wheels, as you can see. Cloth interior, sport seats. Just a nice mileage, beautiful, pretty example. Rear park sensors. Immaculate 8-hole alloys with good tyres. Not covered in stone chips. Daytime running lights built into the headlamps. It's got Uconnect, so Bluetooth or Blue and Me, DAB radio. It's got the button down there for the sports modes. They call it DNA. It's got cruise control, lovely steering wheel, sports steering wheel. It's got the DNA for sport, normal and economy. Auxiliary and USB down there, air conditioning and climate control, which is freezing. This car's got a space saver spare wheel and rear park sensors. It is super clean throughout. Drives so well. There's those rear park sensors. Open the boot, spotlessly clean. Parcel shelves in there, as I say. Spare wheel, jack, toolkit, wheel brace, alloy wheel, locking key, all there, all present and correct. Can't see any marks on the paintwork at all. This car is in really lovely condition. Unmarked alloy wheels ×4, plenty of tread on the tyres. Nice brake disc, got the red caliper package. Electric mirrors, 2 keys, 2 remote keys. As I say, Uconnect for your Bluetooth. 6-speed manual, 1.4 petrol turbo. No wear on the driver's seat. Got fitted mats. That isn't closed properly. Very nice example. £9,495 for a beautiful Giulietta. That. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. This video will be hosted on YouTube. Our YouTube account, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 2 years. If you'll be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.